Samir, most global notes that I've read the last couple of days are talking about looking domestic-facing sectors. I mean, not just for India, across. And plus, there is this 12,000 rupees in the hands of the consumer,
Correct.
RBI doing, etc. Does that theme come into vogue? Staples, discretionary, etc.
No, it comes only into food delivery, according to me. I am not joking. Let me explain.
Please.
So the staple, I don't know, when I get into something, I feel everything is around that. Let me explain. So the consumer staple is not only the catering to, say, whatever 10% or whatever percent people are paying income tax, including families. So therefore, it can't be enough. On the other hand, the consumer discretionary things, which could be because you can take EMI and therefore effectively have this saving be multiplied by 4, 5. In terms of the normal consumer discretionary, we have seen, for example, look at it. We are supposed to have the hottest summer this year, right? And look at what happened to Voltas. The stock is down some 25% because there is so much competition in all these consumer discretionary sectors because of we look only at listed companies, but there are so many unlisted MNC subsidiaries working in India, from this Fujitsu to whatever to Hire to this and that. Everybody's there, and then every Indian distribution type thing like Flipkart or whatever's Tata's, whatever, all of them want Chroma, all of them want to make their own ACs, their own whatever, because they're all getting assembled by the same guys in India. So the competition from the companies that you don't see because they are not listed is equally intense. So we don't like this. We like travel, we like hotels, we like airline, we like Zomato. If that is also all consumer, but we just don't like these old things. Staples growing at 2%, and with this maybe growing at 3%. We don't like.
Yeah, well, I think that's a fascinating example. Some of the white labeled or the back end manufacturers doing their own jig as well. Yeah, all of them. All of them. Okay, great. Samir,
Samsung, LG, all of them are there.
Yeah, agree completely. So unlisted and some of the smaller ones which are doing their own brand. But this is so pertinent. Okay, Samir Arora, make it a point to listen to what Donald Trump says for the next 5 months. We'll tally notes as well.
And also, by the way, one more. So I have just got that book. So Peter Navarro wrote a book called Death by China.
Okay.
I also just heard about it yesterday only, so I've not even got it. But I just checked on the net. There's even a Netflix documentary, which is also available on YouTube, and there's a book also.
Samir, Samir, the claim is that the person quoted in Peter Navarro's book is a fictitious person.
Yeah, his own name. His own name. I read all that. I also just read all this, but now I'm going to read the book. So you can also read the book or at least see the documentary. But I just for the public, so the economist that he quotes is, I think, a variant of his own name. Yeah. But I haven't read the book, so I don't know. But I'm just saying, this is where you have to get. There's no point in reading broker reports on this, because all these things are public now. Of course, they may change. They may change in the end, who knows. But just to get into this is fascinating. And for the first time, reading is directly helping them, save money or make money in the market.
I think Trump watching is what you should do over the next few days. Samir Arora is saying
even otherwise it's entertaining.
Yeah, that's
maybe you get boring after some time, but right now it's quite entertaining also.
Yeah, that's the evening show that everyone wants to see. And yes, there is a quote from him. He was on the Oprah Winfrey show in the 80s talking about how he thinks tariffs are wrong. Samir, always a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you.